Hi everybody, this is Cathryn. This is my second project in my Oh My Fright series. I'm doing a 5-project kit that's going to be finished next week. If you would like to buy one of the kits, it's $30 plus shipping, and I do not bill you until it's ready to ship. Please send me an email, my email address below, with your PayPal email and your mailing address so that I can figure out your shipping. Okay, so of course I'm using the Oh My Fright stamp set and dies bundle. I'm also using the Stylish Shapes dies for this little square for the sentiment. Okay, the box measures 3 by 5 by 3/4, and it opens like this. And inside I have a finger flinger. You put your finger up in here and pull the broom and release, and it flies. Okay, but you could also put some candy in there with it. There's a little bit of room in there. The flinger will be included. All of the things are included. I don't have any extra of the contents except maybe the candy because they came in 12 and I already sold 2 kits, so we have 10 left. Okay. So what we need is a piece of Daffodil Delight that is 8 by 7 1/4. These 2 pieces of DSP are retired. They just went out of the last chance. It's something with woodland. I'm sorry, I can't remember. If anybody remembers it, it has this plaid, and there was one with trees and one with like it was brown with like compasses and boots and stuff like that. So if you can remember, but any black kind of simple paper, because this is kind of swirly. These you need 2 that are 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. Some basic white for stamping. I am going to cut this out just because it's easier to parcel out the paper I have. So this is the tag that's in there. This is from the Frightful Fun DSP, so I will have that for you. I cut the tree out of Gorgeous Grape, a moon from Daffodil Delight, one of the clouds out of Smoky Slate, sorry. And then we also need a piece of Daffodil Delight to stamp the sentiment. All right, I'm going to get my Simply Scored. Okay, we're going to start on the 8-inch side, score at 3/4, 3 3/4, 4 1/2, and 7 1/2. Then turn to the 7 1/4-inch side and score at 3/4, 5 3/4, and 6 1/2. All right, now fold and burnish your score lines. Okay, so we have a 1/2-inch rectangle here, a 3/4 inch here and here, and 2 3/4-inch ones at the top. And this is what we're going to be doing. Okay, so let's start down here. Go to the first score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge the square. Go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the first score line and wedge that square. Go to that last score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge up. So that's our bottom. Now turn it so that 1/2-inch rectangle is over here, and you're going to count to the second score line, cut it to the second score line, and take these 4 pieces off. And then wedge up in this 1/2-inch rectangle. Now in the kit I will cut all of this for you. All right, go to the next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the bottom square, and wedge the top. And then go to the final score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the square, and wedge the top one. Right, and then we're going to round the corners of this top flap. And that's what your cardstock should look like when you're done. All right, we're going to put some tearing tape on that 1/2 inch rectangle next to the score line and take the backing off of that. Okay, flip over the entire box, fold over the side with the tape, and then the other side to meet it. And this is our back where this seam is and where the flap goes to. So we're going to put this flap down first. Okay, that's our box. Now we're just going to put these 2 pieces on the front and the back. Now let's let that dry and we'll do our stamping. So we need our Ghost and Tuxedo Black Ink. Oops, great. Now we'll cut that. And then we need some gorgeous Grape Ink. And here's where it gets a little bit dicey. Now, I wanted to use the square, so this stamp says "Boo to you." We're not going to put the 2, and of course the T goes up inside the boo. So I'm just going to put a piece of sticky note up in there to block it. Okay. Now you could always cut your stamp, but I hate to do that. I will if I have to. Okay, I put some. Oh, goodness gracious, I forgot to take this off. All right, I'll do it on the other side. That's okay, right? My goodness. I'm getting all inky here. There we go. Okay, we're going to ink it up and then take off these pieces and then put the boo on there. Perfect. All right. Now, if you wanted to put the boo to you, I will cut out that square, but you don't have to use that. You can just stamp it if you want to. Okay, and then I'm going to use the smallest square from the Stylish Shapes dies to cut the boo out. Okay, we have both of our pieces. Get all our other pieces here. All right. Okay, first I'm going to put the moon up there. Okay, and then our cloud. This is the largest of the 2 clouds. The cloud is going to hang off just a little bit. I have glue on me. Like that. All right, and then when those are done, I'm going to take my iridescent black ribbon and I'm just going to fold it over. Stick that through that hole. Open the loop and pull the loop down. Oops. Just try and pull the ribbon, not the tag, because it might rip out. You could also go like this and it'll get tighter. All right. Now we have that done. All right, now I'm just going to go through. Now you can put this on your silicone mat and sponge it, but I'm just going to just kind of put glue on the little, on each little piece, at least one, so that it stays down. And then I'm going to put the trunk right in the middle, and then the tree is going to go wherever it wants to, the branches. Okay, that's good. All right, now I'm going to glue, the boo is going to go off the side also. I'm going to bring it a little bit higher than the trunk, and it's going to stick off to the left about 1/8 of an inch. And then I am going to put dimensionals on my ghost. And put him right next to the boo. Like that. Okay, now we need our box, and I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of our tag. I didn't take out my circle out of this. I wish they would come back out with the little circle punches again, because I wasn't in Stampin' Up! When they had them, where they had just retired them and there were some in the last chance, and I was not fast enough to get them. All right, and then I'm just going to put this on. I'm going to try to make it even. There we go. All right. I forgot with our ghost, I'm just going to take a little bit of Smokey Slate and just go on the bottom edge. And then I'm going to take my Wink of Stella and I'm going to go over just that part. Maybe a little bit more. And I'll just give them a little sparkle. Okay. All right, now for the final touch, we're going to add 2 more ghosts. So I'm going to put one in the tree over here and one up higher right there. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. All my info is below. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you next time. Bye.